Sun damage, pollution, irregular skincare routine and stress play a major role in stripping our skin of its glow and making it look dull and lackluster. Face packs are an amazing way to deliver some essential nutrients to your skin as they penetrate deep within and provide targeted action. Today in this video I will share the remedy with benefits of marigold petals and sandalwood powder that can relieve many skin problems. Marigold, also known as calendula, has a lot of amazing benefits for the skin. It has amazing antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that reduce redness and promotes wound healing. The cell renewal properties of the flower prevent and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Amazing moisturizing properties of marigold hydrate and nourish dry and damaged skin. So without any delay, let's start preparation of remedy. So to make this, you will need 2 marigold petals powder, 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder, 1 tablespoon fresh curd, 1 tablespoon rose water. In a clean bowl, take 2 marigold petals powder. In this add 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder, 1 tablespoon fresh curd and 1 tablespoon rose water. Mix it well and ensure that there are no lumps. First of all, wash your face with mild soap and then apply this paste to your face, avoiding the eye area as well as neck. Leave it on for 20 minutes and wash off using cold water. You can use this mask twice a week.